Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eternal Bliss. So today's video is all about pink glowy makeup tutorial for the Navratri look, and I'm just prepping my skin, and as usual I'm taking the Clinique 72 hour moisture surge, which is beautiful guys, and ये अपने आप में इतना glowing look देता है, and it gives so much of hydration. So for prepping up for your makeup, it's a very good product, and if you if you trust me, then please buy it, and you will thank me later that I have recommended such a nice product to you all. So I'm just prepping my skin, prepping my under eyes with this product, and beautifully sit करता है ये skin पर और बहुत प्यारा लगता है, and your base looks very nice. I'm also prepping my lips, and for my lips I'm using the Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is also my very favorite one, and it gives so much of hydration to the lips, and your lipstick, any lipstick you will wear, it will sit very beautiful, and कोई dryness नहीं होगी, and your lips will be very hydrated. So for the primer, I am using this Lakme Blur Perfect. Guys, this has a very nice pinkish tone to it because मैं एक बहुत प्यारा सा पिंक ग्लोई मेकअप कर रही हूँ, सो आई थॉट टू यूज़ दिस वन, एंड बहुत प्यारा लुक देता है ये फेस को, एंड येस इट ऑल्सो ब्लर्स आउट योर पोर्स एंड योर imperfections अच्छे से. So I'm taking it all over my face and I'm applying it, and fingers are the best tool. I think I'm more inclined towards fingers rather than the different kind of brushes. मुझे एक्चुअली सच बोलूँ तो ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है ब्रशेस की, एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेट द नॉलेज, बट आई थिंक माई फिंगर्स आर अमेजिंग. एंड फिंगर्स में क्या होता है कि इट गिव्स वार्मथ टू द प्रोडक्ट, एंड देन प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है स्किन में, एंड बहुत प्यारा लगता है. सी हाउ इट इज़ ब्लेंडिंग इन माई स्किन सो ब्यूटिफुली, एंड बहुत ब्लर्ड आउट इफेक्ट दे रहा है, एंड ऑलरेडी मेरी स्किन ग्लोइंग लग रही है ना. आई रियली लाइक इट. So now after my primer we have to apply foundation, and for foundation I'll be using today foundation from Estee Lauder, and this is a very tiny bottle. I just took the mini size because I wanted to know if it will suit me, it'll look good on my skin or not. So the shade name is Tawny, and it's like my skin guys. बहुत ही बिल्कुल स्किन लाइक फिनिश देता है, और मेरा शेड मुझे बिल्कुल मैच करता हुआ शेड मिला है, और बहुत प्यारा लुक आएगा, आप देखना. और इट इज़ अ मीडियम टू हाई कवरेज फाउंडेशन. यू कैन बिल्ड इट अप, बिल्ड इट डाउन, वट एवर लुक यू वॉन्ट. I would go for a more natural look rather than a very heavy look. So I'm applying it only on the parts where I need little bit of coverage, and that's it. So applying it on my cheeks, little bit on my forehead, and little bit on my nose, and that's it. So isko bhi I'll blend it with my fingers, and because fingers are the best tool, we don't require anything else. So आपको ये डैब डैब करके अप्लाई करना है, नॉट यू डोंट हैव टू ड्रैग द प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज ड्रैग करने से आपकी स्किन में वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छे से ब्लेंड नहीं होगा और हट जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज डैब डैब मोशन में प्रोडक्ट को ब्लेंड करो, एंड सो दैट आपकी स्किन में वो अच्छे से आए और बहुत skin like finish देगा तब. And always don't forget your neck guys, क्योंकि whenever you are applying foundation always cover your neck as well. If you are wearing off shoulder, cover it the way जितना भी skin show कर रहा है, so at least just cover your neck little bit. Now we'll move on to the eyebrows, and for eyebrows I am using the NYX eyebrow pencil. And see, I have done a very natural eyebrows. I don't like very heavy looking eyebrows, very made up look. I don't like that. So naturally अच्छा लगता है. Now अपनी eyes, now we will do our eyes, and for eyes I have to do a pink eyes today. So for that I'm taking a matte shade from this palette. I will definitely give all the details of the products in the description box, so don't worry about that. And I'm taking this matte shade on my crease and I'm applying it generously. And also guys, blending is the key. I have said it before as well in my previous tutorial that जितना आप blend करोगे आई शेडो उतनी प्यारी आई शेडो लगेगी, उतना अच्छे से वो seamless finish देगी और together look लगेगा. So I'm blending it, and I'm blending it very nicely. And these eyeshadows are very good guys. This palette is amazing. I got this palette from the Instagram page called Glam Destination. I will definitely put down the details, so don't worry about that. इन आई शेडोज़ का कोई फॉल आउट भी नहीं है, एंड द पिगमेंटेशन इज़ अमेजिंग. So always, and also when you use eyeshadow, when you take eyeshadow from the palette, always dust it down and then put the product on your eyes, so that कि आपको वो control look मिले. And see, the look is looking already very nice. So the matte shade is beautiful. Now I'll be using a glittery shade, a pink glitter shade on my lids. And guys, always, this is the tip, always use a glitter shade with your finger, not use it with a brush. आप करके देखना, use it with a brush on one eye and use it with a finger on one eye, you will get the difference. ब्रश से इतना अच्छा पिगमेंट नहीं आता जितना कि you will get it with your finger. So it will look beautiful, very beautiful. See, in first go you got a very nice pigment on your eyelids. So ऐसे ही because that is why I say that fingers are the best friend in doing your makeup. So I'm just putting it on my lid, and will also put it on my inner inner area of the eye, and then putting it on the lid. This shade is amazing guys, very beautiful shade, and this look is so wearable. I'm just making the tutorial, that's why it's taking time, otherwise it is a 10-minute look. You can just do it with these. This is with the minimum products I am doing this look. So I'm also just putting the same glitter eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eyes, so that everything looks so seamless and together, and वो शेड भी थोड़ा सा बिल्डअप हो जाएगा तो वो अच्छा लगेगा. So I'm using it again, and brush से I'm just making sure कि वो अच्छे से connect हो जाए. So that's why I use the brush. Now I'll again use the matte shade which we used initially, and just to build more color and to give more definition to my eyes. See, so थोड़ा fade out look ना दे, so इसीलिए I'm using the matte shade again, and I'm just applying it again in the crease of my eyes, and blending as usual. Take your time, blend it well, don't rush it, because अगर आप rush करोगे, blend नहीं करोगे, वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, वो look together नहीं लगेगा, seamless नहीं लगेगा. So always blend your eyeshadows. So now I'm done with my eyeshadow mostly. So I'm again just going with a clean brush and then just blending everything together. Because आई लुक पूरा टुगेदर लगना चाहिए, नॉट दैट वन कलर इज़ समवेयर एंड वन कलर इज़ समवेयर. सो इसीलिए now I'm again using that matte shade in the lower lash line of my eyes and उसको मैं connect कर रही हूँ upper lash line से. और connect करना बहुत ज़रूरी है guys, because then only your eye look will look very nice and connected and together. See, this is my eye look. Yes, we will put the mascara now. And for mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Lash Voluminous Mascara. It's a beautiful mascara, guys. I have used it 2-3 times, and जब से मैंने ये start किया है use करना, I'm just inclined towards it only, and it looks beautiful, very beautiful. And सबसे अच्छी बात जो मुझे इस mascara की लगती है, the wand of this mascara. मेरा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है कि द मस्काराज विच आई हैव यूज्ड प्रीवियसली, उन्होंने मेरे को आइज़ में मेरे को लग जाते हैं वो, एंड जस्ट माई आइज स्टार्ट वाटरिंग. सो ये वॉन्ड मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगा आइज़ में, एंड इट वॉज सो ईजी टू अप्लाई द मस्कारा, एंड बहुत अच्छा सा वॉल्यूम दिया इसने मेरी लैशेस को, एंड लेंथन भी किया मेरी लैशेस को. सो यू कैन सी हाउ my eyes are looking now, and I think they are looking beautiful. Now we will go with the blush, and for blush I'm using this Etude House tint, and guys, what to say, it's beautiful. But I would give you one tip, because I was not aware of that. Apply it and just blend it. Don't apply it like the way I did on both of the cheeks, and then it was थोड़ा difficult to blend. वो वहाँ पे mark छोड़ देता है, and it just stays there, so it was difficult to blend. So जैसे ही आप एक cheek पर apply करो, blend करो, and then दूसरे cheek पर apply करो. It is a very beautiful pink color, very nice color. I just love it. Beautiful है ना? Okay, so now my favorite step, it's the to apply the highlighter, and ये हम glowing look कर रहे हैं, beautiful pink glowing look कर रहे हैं, तो highlighter तो must है. तो highlighter which I'm using is from Wet n Wild, and again it's a beautiful highlighter. इसको आप build up कर सकते हो, build down कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से. So I really want a very glowy look, so I'm applying a generous amount of this highlighter. And also highlighter, always apply it on your high points of the face, your cheekbones, your bridge of the nose, your cupid's bow, and your brow bones, and also in your inner corners of your eyes. And whenever you apply the highlighter in the inner corner of your eyes, then your eyes look more brighten up, more awake, and like beautiful. So I'll be doing that now, applying the highlighter in my inner corners and on my brow bone, which will look beautiful, guys, when you will see. And in pictures also, your pictures will come very beautiful. And why we apply on brow bones? Because these are the points where the light hits, these are the high points of our face, and the light hits there. So when the light hits on these points, it looks very glowing. Your face looks very glowing, very इनबिल्ट ग्लो आता है, और ऐसा लगता है जैसे आप अंदर से ग्लो कर रहे हो, और बहुत ही प्यारा लुक आता है. सो ऑलवेज अप्लाई इट ऑन योर ब्राउ बोन्स, चीक बोन्स, bridge of the nose. Always do that. And for me, highlighter is never enough. I always apply again and again. And guys, if you are wearing something wherein your collarbones are visible, your shoulders are visible, then also you can apply this highlighter there as well. So it will give a very beautiful overall look, that your body is also glowing with your face. So okay, so we are done with this, and now we are left with the last step, which is lipstick. And I'll be applying a very beautiful shade from L'Oreal, and This is the liquid lipstick, and this shade is beautiful, guys, very beautiful. You will see, and you will trust me. If you get a chance, do buy this shade and just enjoy. And it's very easy to apply as well, and initially it will give a little glossy look, but in few seconds, in about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds, it will become matte, and it will give a matte look, and then it looks beautiful. आई होप ये आपको लुक बहुत अच्छा लगा हो, एंड इफ़ यू did like it, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below if you like these kind of looks or what you want to see on my channel. I'll definitely consider those. And take care, and have a good Navratri. Enjoy yourselves and happy fasting. So that's about it. Stay safe and be happy. Bye.